Hello my friends! If you watched our first appetizer video, you know that we have started a series of appetizer episodes which will regularly deliver fresh and delicious ideas for all kinds of appetizers right to your kitchen. Today's one is incredibly simple to make. Ready to watch? Let's go! For this appetizer, we will need store-bought flatbreads, blue cheese, sour cream, pitted Kalamata olives, a half of a shallot, and the oven preheated to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's combine the cheese and sour cream, mashing the cheese with a fork to reach a smooth, dip-like consistency. Then thinly slice the shallot and cut the olives in halves. Place the flatbreads on the tray lined with parchment paper and spread the cheese and sour cream mixture over the flatbreads. Top with the shallot slices and Kalamata halves and bake for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and cut into triangles. Baked blue cheese flatbreads are best when served hot or warm. Like this appetizer? Say so in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, push those subscribe and bell buttons to instantly receive new videos from Fabits. For today, that was it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.